Hello, it's Ben Butcho and Oliver Butcho, and my friend Ethan. I'm really sorry I've not uploaded for a while. It's just I've been busy. I hope you guys really enjoyed your Christmas break. So today we'll be drawing a helicopter. As I always say, I'll be using Sharpie, but I suggest using a pencil. If you guys mess up, you guys can fix it. And you guys don't have to color it the way I color it, okay? That's the reason why I don't color it in my YouTube videos. So we're gonna start off by drawing sort of like a half, like sort of like a C sort of, not like a 4C, so it's just like this. So like this. Okay, so next step, we'll be drawing sort of like a thing just to connect these. We try to keep it a bit round, like that. So next step, draw one line across. You can make your helicopter nice and long, nice and short, nice and tiny, nice and ugly.
Nice and ugly.
Okay, so next step, draw a line on top. Try to keep it the same length.
Make sure to keep it ugly.
So next step, draw a line up and then line down. So now we're going to go back to the top and draw a line down. And then a line up. And now we're going to draw a line up. Then, just like this. So then we make it a circle to connect it. And then we put a dot here. And draw like 3 or 4 circles just to make it propellers.
I need 3 or 4, huh?
We're being a little funny because we're just trying to have some fun. We have been stuck inside for a while.
Yeah.
Not that much to do in COVID. So now we're going to draw 2 lines up.
Let's see. Like an ostrich legs.
So then we're going to do a circle on top.
Like an ostrich. Like a birdie's head.
I was just trying to compare stuff so I had to think. This is so much funny. So now we're going to be drawing like a sort of like propeller thing.
Like a chicken wing.
Yeah. So then we're gonna be on this. Now we're gonna draw like a door. So draw like a line. You pretty much draw it however you want. I draw them like this, sort of. So then we're gonna draw a line down and another line down. So we're gonna draw a line down and a line down. So now we'll be drawing a line forwards and then make a diagonal line and then a line like that. So like this. And then we're gonna draw like kind of like a loop and out, kind of up. Like a foot. So then we're gonna draw a huge line back. Don't make the top one not as big. I'll tell you why. Because so we're gonna put like this down. So oh yeah, I also forgot to mention this. If I'm going too fast, you guys can always pause the video. If you guys miss a step, you guys can rewind. So go forwards. And then again, make a diagonal line. And for the last time, we have to make an arc. So now we're gonna make like a 3D thing. So we're gonna draw a diagonal line here. Then you're gonna draw a line forwards. And then you put another diagonal line to connect it. Then you're gonna draw a line up, touch in there, and sort of like curve it in. So now, right about here, we're gonna be drawing a line. And it's gonna stop here. And then we're gonna go on the other side and draw like another line. And then sort of like arc it in like what we did back here to connect to this one. So now it looks a little bit more 3D. And last but certainly not least thing about this, we're gonna draw like an electrical thing. So you're gonna draw sort of like a second box. That's all I have to do. You can add the electrical symbol if you want, but I don't force that. So you guys can draw it however you want. This doesn't even have to be an electrical box. This can be a secret compartment or just a compartment. It could be a door for like animals. It could be anything you want. Okay. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. See you next time on Butcher Boys Draw. Bye.
See ya next time.
See ya.
Butcher Boys Draw.
See ya.